Hi, with me Dior. Now I'm doing the unboxing for the USB Colourful Humidifier. So this is the box on the left, and this is the description. Okay, and then so I got actually a white version. So Android USB, H2O, below nothing, and just like this. Inside the box, we got manual, USB Colourful Humidifier manual, so you can see there. Instruction. Okay. And the last will be the USB wire for charging. And the rod with this. So make sure there's a spring here actually. Yeah, there's a spring there. So the installation is spring below. So this one you just put in, tie it up. There you go. And then water, 90% only, 90%. And then you drop the filler first, and then after that put it inside the filler. So that's it. This is our unboxing. Thank you.